Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the radiator on the Toyota MR2. We are going to be installing Mishimoto today, which is a sponsor for today's video. So I'd just like to say thank you to Mishimoto for helping us out with this MR2 project. This is what the current radiator looks like here in the front trunk. It's going to look completely different once we're done. We stripped the AC pipe into it. Not exactly sure what this is called, but if anyone's interested, this will be for sale, and also the stock radiator and the fan. So if anyone in the UK is interested, let me know in the comments. I'll also post it on Facebook. Since we had everything off, we decided to clean it up and paint it black. Get it nice and clean for the new radiator. Hey, what are you doing, Adam? That's the new Mishimoto. Huh? Very nice.
What am I doing?
Nice. What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. That looks good.
Looks clean.
That's the old stock one. Oh, look at that. Radiator's in. It's looking nice and clean with the black background. Alright, we're back, guys. Adam's wiring up the Mishimoto radiator to restock plugs here. Mishimoto do not give you connectors to connect in here, so we took these out. This is what they give you like with the radiator, and the original clips are like this, and they do not connect. So you have to, we kind of cut this part out from the stock radiator to connect it to the Mishimoto one. So Adam's just doing that now. So we're putting everything back together. And we've actually got new horns to go on, because these have been used for a while. Yeah, lovely. I'll take that. Thank you. Yeah.
I took the accelerated course before I started on this trip. It probably was too quick.
Install of the Mishimoto radiator. So far so good. We've tested everything, pull the heaters up, and also revved it a little bit, check all the fluid, there's no leaks, everything's good. This is what it looks like, all nice and clean. And yeah, so that's done, guys. So the next video is going to be installing exhaust, because as you can surely hear, we have no exhaust on at the moment, so that's what we're gonna work on next.